Good morning everyone, Namaskar. Today we have three members here on the panel discussion. First is Mr. Anil Gupta. Namaskar sir. He is a librarian and he is Regional Incentive Awardee 2014. Then we have Mrs. Vinny and she is TGT Hindi from KV Dappar. We have Mr. Puneet who is the Senior Most PRT. Along with this, Mr. Puneet has experience of visiting NCRT and doing the recording on EVS. Now, Mr. Gupta, talking on FLN, the major problem students facing is reading. So, as a librarian, you please tell us how to motivate students for reading.
So, I would suggest that the best way is to improve the reading habit is to read NCRT Barka series, which is available in bilingual in Hindi and in English. The language is very simple, so that the students can understand the context. The next we are moving on. There are some magazines like Balwani, which is published by the government. There's Bal Bharati is also there, and some of the magazines like Champak, Chanda Mama, Nande Samrat, like that. The students they can prefer these magazines and they can improve their reading habit.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Gupta. Now we have Mrs. Vinny. Sir has told us how to make student passionate about reading. So मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि आप ये बताइए कि हिंदी में जो अशुद्धियाँ होती हैं बरतने की उसको कैसे ओवरकम किया जा सकता है।
मैं अनिल सर की बात से बिल्कुल सहमत हूँ कि आजकल के विद्यार्थियों में अगर शब्द भंडार की वृद्धि करनी है या उसमें पठन की रुचि जागृत करनी है तो इस तरह की मैगजीन बहुत काम आती है, लेकिन साथ ही साथ वो शुद्ध पढ़ें और शुद्ध लिखें, ये भी बहुत ज़रूरी है। अगर बरतने की अशुद्धि है तो बच्चा जो है उसके अंदर भाषा का सही विकास नहीं हो पाता। इसे उदाहरण के लिए अगर मैं बात करूँ तो की और की जो है बच्चों में बहुत परेशानी आती है। हमें बताना होगा कि की का प्रयोग जो है वो वाक्य संबंध के लिए होता है और जबकि की का प्रयोग जो है वाक्य में शब्दों को जोड़ने के लिए होता है।
धन्यवाद मैडम विनी। Now we have Mr. Puneet. He is an expert of mathematics in last primary wing. So Mr. Puneet, the student basically face the problem of comprehending the language.
Yes.
That is why they fear mathematics. So
Yes.
how can we overcome? Can you share with your experiences?
Yes. Talking about FLN primary classes, they fail to apply their mathematical knowledge in real life situation. Okay. Like we teach them about 3D shapes, but they fail to correlate this 3D shape with a real life object. So I can suggest one solution of this. We can give them this type of shapes so that they can count number of faces, number of corners, and number of edges, and this will be their lifelong experience, and they will never forget in their entire life, and this will be beneficial for all the students.
Okay. So you mean to say that experiential learning
Yes,
can
yes,
be
yes.
one, using toys or these real life
Yes.
objects. So thank you all of you for sparing the valuable time and be with us for panel discussion. Thank you.
Thank you.